Aqua Diver 2024, a true masterpiece in the world of timepieces. Powered by the NH35A Automatic Watch Movement, it delivers precision and reliability without the need for batteries. With 100 meters of water resistance, sapphire crystal glass, and a solid stainless steel case, this luxury diver watch is built for adventure and designed for style. Its luminous hands and elegant design make it perfect for both professional diving and everyday wear. The CADISEN Aqua Diver combines durability, elegance, and performance in one exceptional watch.